We have 6 cars to detail in 2 days, so it's going to be a fairly fast-paced class. And then my good longtime friend, Jason Rose. So why don't you share your title and who you are and what you do?
Thank you, Mike. And I very much appreciate being invited, and this is awesome to do a side-by-side event.
We're going to do 2 cars. We got the 50 Chevy, the 61 Impala. Back over here, we got a 92 Mercedes-Benz, and we got a 72 Cadillac Eldorado. So we need to get through all 4 of those cars today. And then tomorrow we're going to bring in, there's a 1962 Biscayne on the other side of there. It's a Pro Street, custom base coat, clear coat paint job. And this Cuda back here is restored. It's got a custom base coat, clear coat finish. So we're going to talk about hand sanding wet and then machine sand, damp sanding by machine, and then back to the rotary polishers to pull the sanding marks out, foam pads to get them perfect, and then we're going to put ceramic coatings on everything. Now's the time. Let's get on your feet. Let's go have some fun.
If you lightly put some pressure on it, you can tell that this actually paint delaminating from the substrate. So this is a danger zone, not only for rotary, but any polishing at all, any sanding. Actually, you don't want to molest this area in any way. You want to protect it.
And it's on a raised body line. If you come down on this with the wool pad in a compound, you're going to peel all that off. You're going to piss somebody off is what we're going to do. This is the hardest tool you learn how to use on master. Perfect.
Look how easy this is to do. I was nervous about that edge, even though it's a respray and thick.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just going to let that kind of ride down there inside that. Look at back here.
And we're going to go check down there on that valve. Back in a little
Once you
bit.
learn how to use it, so you can make it dance on paint. Okay?
You're doing great.
Now as I'm looking, if I see
Right to left. Right.